Hi loves, it's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm back again for another video. If you're new to my channel, welcome to my channel. Hi love, how are you doing? And if you're old to my channel, hi love, what's good? You already know who I am. It's your girl Morgan Sinclaire and I'm today bringing you this lovely soft glam look. I'm so excited for this video, but first I want to say thank you so much for those who've seen this video. It got to 7K views and I am so excited about that. And also the part 2 of this video was at 1K as well, and I just want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support in the comments. I do read your comments, I do answer. You guys are amazing. I love you so much. But let's get into this video because I know you want to do this. I know you want to see how I do this. It is the best minutes of your life. But without further ado, let's get into the video.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on.
Okay guys, we're gonna start with the Huda Beauty Topaz Obsessions palette. The palette didn't have any color names, so I'm gonna start with the red color right there that I'm pointing to. In my crease, I'm just going to blend that color out on both eyes. I'm really excited for this color. This color is so pretty. It came out so red, which I wanted it to. And yeah. Next, I'm going to use that brown color in the crease as just a transition shade and to add some dimension to my eyes. And then after, I'm going to blend it out really good so these colors can just mesh well perfectly together. I'm taking that color and blending it towards the outer corner of my lid, and on both eyes, I'm going up towards the crease and inside of the lid. When I tell y'all this palette has some beautiful colors, I mean, they're amazing. I love this palette. It's actually one of my favorite palettes. So you'll see me using it a lot. Next, I'll be using this yellow shade for a highlight color just beneath my brow bow and to make it an ombre effect on my eyeshadow. Next, I'll be using Naked Cosmetics Heavy Metal. This eyeshadow is really pigmented, so I suggest that if you have this, you spray your brush with some setting spray or whatever. You wet your brush so that can control where the eyeshadow goes. This decreases fallout a lot, so you don't want it to just fall out all over your face. I mean, I hate cleaning eyeshadow up after it falls on my face, so I found that if you spray your brush, it gives you better control. And I'm just applying this to my lid, no special way, just I took a flat angle brush and just applied it to my lid. Now I'm taking the brush that I used to put the brown eyeshadow on, and I'm just blending that eyeshadow together. So making a good blend, making sure we don't see any white spaces or anything like that. Next, I'm taking the Buxom eyeliner, Call Me. And I like to use my sponge to pull down my eyes to do my eyeliner because sometimes I have makeup on my fingers, so that's a good tip for you guys when you're doing eyeliner. And for the cat eye that's going to go on top of my lid, I'm using the Maybelline Master Precise in black. When I tell you this is the easiest pen to use for a cat eye, it is the easiest thing. I could just swoop, put that on there, I swear. I just lay it on there so flat. This eyeliner can cut through some eyeshadow. A lot of eyeliner just sit on top. This one cuts through. I really love this eyeliner. So now I'm taking my Tarteist Pro eyelashes. I saw that these eyelashes were vegan lashes and they're cruelty free. I really thank the brand for doing that because, I mean, you don't want to hurt our fuzzy friends. You just want to love them. And so these eyelashes are also stacked. They fall into place so effortlessly. So I appreciate that as well. They just apply so easily. Guys, I told you I had a little surprise for you. Fenty Beauty. I went to the store and got Fenty finally in the foundation shade 440. This shade is the perfect shade for me. I love this foundation. I really do. Medium to light coverage. It is so light on my face and airy. I don't feel it throughout the day. I don't have to worry about scratching. My face doesn't feel itchy. I love it and it blends so well. Next, I'll be using the L.A. Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. I found that this concealer and the Fenty Beauty Concealer in 410, the 410 was a little bit lighter than I expected, so I just blend this together and I get the perfect shade. I mean, that was my fault. It has nothing on Rihanna, but I mean, you gotta work with what you got. So I'm taking my sponge and I'm just blending that into my face. And I was so just flabbergasted. I was so mesmerized of how this concealer blends in so well with anything. Like, to be able to mix a concealer and it show no lines, it was just great. So next, yes, I'm using Fenty Beauty again, the setting powder in the shade Hazelnut. I haven't seen a lot of YouTubers come out with hazelnut, the shade Hazelnut. They usually use cocoa or whatever, and I haven't seen the shade Hazelnut. But you see me blowing the powder off of my blender. That's just to make sure that I don't put too much powder on my face. And you saw that I wanted to bake just a little bit. Then I took my brush and just wiped it off so easily. I appreciate Rihanna for this because it just melted in my skin, guys. It just melted, And yes, I'm continuing on with the Fenty Beauty bronzer in Coco Naughty. First of all, when it said instant warmth bronzer, when I tell you it gave me warmth all up and through, just everything, just beautiful. And I just took it and just laid it across my face. I don't really contour, so I used it as a contour, just a small contour. Now I'm taking my Steve Laurant I'm Blushin blush, and yes, I was blushing after I used this. And Juvia's Place in the shade Nubia. Y'all know I love highlight. I do highlight the best. Highlight is amazing. And so for us dark-skinned women, we want to make sure that we're popping, make sure that we're glittery. And Juvia's Place highlight in the shade Nubia, it does it for you. Look at that. Period, baby. I put it down my nose, on my nose, and on my lips, and I just want to light up somebody's day. I'll be using the MAC Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Chestnut. I love Chestnut. It's the best shade. I wanted to go for a nude lip, so I went for the Sephora lipstick. I never had a lipstick from Sephora, but the Sephora lipstick in the shade Brunch Day gave me the perfect nude, honestly, but I wanted some shine. So then I took the Fenty Beauty Gloss Mop. When I tell you Rihanna was naming these makeup products, she was naming them, y'all. For me, just naming them. If somebody tell me my lips were bomb, girl, your gloss is bomb. Period, sis. But yeah, I'm extra. I like to add a little highlight after over my brows. And then this setting spray that I'm spraying is MAC Cosmetics over me. It's called Goldlite. And when I tell you I go outside and be shining, I told you I want to light up somebody today. I look like the sun, just beaming, just beaming. And I wanted to show you guys in a different light how the setting spray actually attracts light to your face. So I had it with the blinds closed and I did it with the blinds open, and you can see that it's flawless either way. So this is pure cutthroat, period. And so thank you guys so much for watching this video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I love you lots. Bye.